Hello, boys and girls. Again, I am here again to show you more rules of square roots. More rules of square roots. We had last time we had the square root of a number squared, like square root of 4 squared equal 4, square root of 100 squared equal 100, and so on. Now, the second rule here in the square root rules are, okay, if we have a number like, let's say 6 squared, you see here 6 squared equals 36, then the rule says 6 equals square root of 36. Okay, so if we have a number b to the exponent n equal a, then this b equal nth root of a. So again, example, 6 squared and 6 squared equals 36, then 6 equal square root of 36. If we have 7 to the square root of to the exponent of 3, okay, so it says, this 3, then it says, then this equal, let's say 7 times 7 times 7, okay, which is 343, right? So 7 exponent 3 is 7 times 7 times 7. Let me write it down. 7 times 7 times 7 equal 343. So it says the rule B, which is 7, okay, equal nth root of A. Nth root of A, which is 3 third root of 343. Third root of 343. Copy here, and we put here, paste, except that this 3 should be much less younger, if you know what I mean. Okay, and let's do 3 here as 11 maybe. Okay, so anyway, so this is third root of A, which is third root of 343. Okay, so 7 is the third root of 343. It is the number, if we multiply it by itself 3 times, we will have 343. It's actually a follow-up of what we were talking about 2 or 3 videos ago, and that is the rule. So again, if we have b exponent n equal a number, we call it a, then this b is the nth root of a. Okay, nth root of a. Example, if we have 6 to the exponent 2 or square equals 36, then 6 is the square root of 36. 6 is the square root of 36. If you actually do it, it is the square root of 36. Now, another example, if we have 7 cube or to the exponent 3, okay, so this is b, 7 is b, and 3 is n, and a is 7. Okay, so 7 cube, I'm sorry, A is 343. So if we have B 7 cube equal, which is 7 times 7 times 7, right? Which is 343. So the rule says this 7 is the number you multiply it by itself 3 times to get 343. Okay, and that is the rule. Okay, let's do one more example before we get you the answer for last video's question. Okay, if we have 90, well, that would be a huge number then. Let's see, 12, okay, to the exponent. Come on, to the exponent. The exponent, let's say 2, then 2, then the rule says this 12 is the square root of what? 12 is the square root of, you guys work with me. What is it? It has to be square root of what? Of 244. 12 times 12 is 12 times 12, 144. So I'm learning with you. Actually, I'm learning with you. You guys are my students, and you are, and I am your students. How's that? Does that feel good? Okay, I'm your student, and you are my students. How's that? Okay, so 12 is the square root of 144. That's it. That is another example. Okay, remember this 2 here should be on the top of this square root symbol, but only in this case they don't put it on the left side top corner of that square root symbol. If it was 3 or like 3 or 4 or 5, then they put it on this on the top of the square root symbol. Okay, so now, so 12 squared, okay, it means what? 12 is the square root of 144, because 12 square is 12 times 12, right? Is 12 times 12. That is, what does 12 mean? 12 square mean? Okay, so 12 times 12 is 144. So 12 here is the square root of 144. That's what the rule says. Okay. Now let's do the question from last video. What is the 15th? What is the 15th largest sea in the world? It is, my friends, Hudson Bay. Hudson Bay. I believe that's in New York, United States. New York. Hudson Bay is the largest, the 15th largest. The heck is this? Largest sea in the world. Right? All right. In the world. All right. So this is Hudson Bay, 15th largest sea in the world. Okay, the next question for next video is, what is the next one? What is the 16th largest sea in the world after Hudson Bay? We're gonna answer that next video. Thank you so much. I will see you next video.